Yeah, why you're sad? It's Christmas. Why you're sad? Huh? Why man you're sad, Gianna? Good morning, guys. Today is December 25, 2023. So it's Christmas Day. So this time, I'm on my way to buy Ate Iya a dream iPhone 11. So see you later, guys. Igabot to. Wala tang palit sa cellphone. So bye bye. So we're here at Insular Square. Gonna buy Diana his dream iPhone 11. Hindi pa ako magpalit ko din for Christmas gift. Sabi niya wala siyang gift. So let's surprise her later with their new iPhone 11. So see you later, guys. Bye bye. Here's how I surprised Gianna with her new iPhone. So I'm gonna put the casing first. So tapati ko niya og katong Air Force na shoes. Air Force shoes. So I have to put casing first here. So yung cellphone. Para nag-open niya, casing niya makita together with her shoes. So later, nag-open na niya, ahan to yung tunod lang yung cellphone nga bago. So see you later, guys. Bye-bye. So mag-open si Mang Siyang o sa tiya siyang gift. Kaya wala ka-open gabi eh. So
Paparang, paparang.
yan. Open.
Nanison.
Naan.
Kakabi!
Nadaw sa budol. Nagawa sila dyan, nagapon. Ah, sorry.
Ay, kami siya. Gabot mo kapit, ani.
Yes,
Thanks.
okay.
Budol.
Okay, mo tiya. Okay, mo tiya. Saan po? Ate Iya. Surprise ko lang ako. Surprise ko lang ka. Sino ba? Magtanong ba? Yan. Yan. Open your shoes. Uy, may kissing. Ah, kissing na sa ha. Kissing na sa. Kissing. Kissing na sa ha. Kissing na sa. Wow. Baru tadi na. Merry Christmas, Ate Iya. Yan na. Eh.
Laro kayo. Hilo mo na siya.
Yeah. Lagi. Nah, magbinot na ka tiya. Look here.
Halika, halika.
Yeah, look here. Smile. Pakita. Ayun, sana all. To Amelia's Gadget. Diana, what's this one doing? Wow, Merry Christmas. Wow, here.